Hey Maxwell, how fast can you run? Well, cats can run faster than humans, so I'll easily beat you, Banana Cat. Okay, bet. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh man, Maxwell got a lot of energy. I guess I have to run. I think I'm winning. I'm coming, Maxwell. I'll never win. I win. Well done, Maxwell. You win. What are you guys doing? Oh my god. Banana Cat Louise actually died. Let me get rid of the body for you. Haha. But Maxwell, why did you be like this? What? But Banana Cat lost the race, so that's why I have to throw her out. Banana Cat. I mean Maxwell, it's a race. Why did you do that to Banana Cat? Well, Banana Cat doesn't even deserve to win. He has to stand up there like that.